just really, really lucky to be a part of a very wonderful professional business financial environment that's also a very good cohesive group of people. But the best part about working for this branch is that we have probably the two best leaders in the entire community. The culture here is very collaborative, which is very nice. We have some loan officers that have been doing this for decades. I think that we are just a wonderful group of people, and we'd be honored to earn your business. It's very nice.
And you're kind of going on this, what is the culture here? I mean, is there a lot of people competing against each other? Do you work together? How does that work?
And some that have been just under a couple years. So it's really, really nice to work in a place where we all work very well together, we collaborate, and we also feed off of each other's energy, and we give each other good information, supportive information, and that makes it a... Yes.
One of the things that makes this place unique, everybody says, oh, we do it in-house. It's not really in-house compared to here, is it?
That's very true. One of the wonderful things about our office is that we have our underwriter here. She's VA certified, and she is an educator, number one. She is kind of the apex of our office in so many ways because she runs our training programs, and she is an educator first and an underwriter second. And so it's fantastic that I can just walk down the office and bring my cup of coffee, go sit down with Jody, and just, talk about a family. And she loves helping our veterans. She really enjoys being a part of that American dream and having that generational wealth tool for families. So yeah, it's wonderful to have her be here in the office. Our 3 processors, it's great to sit down with them and collaborate and brainstorm when we have something come up. It makes it really nice. We bring the client in, and our communication is very strong, and that's very helpful for the process.
Wow, you just nailed pretty much every question I had.
Awesome!
Is there anything that you would like to add?
Yes, I am very proud of everybody here at this office. I am a first-generation business person, and so this office, these 2 branch managers have really invested in me and educating all of us. So I just feel really fortunate to be here.